Righto, it's time you and I had a little talk. Are you a gunner? You know, gonna do this, gonna do that, but you actually aren't gonna do anything. You've been crapping on all your life about how you're gonna do things and you just don't do it. Does that make you a liar? It's not the fact that you're a gunner or a liar that really concerns me. It's the fact that you hold the most amazing power in the palm of your hands and you just cannot see it. And that power is you can change anything in your life at any given moment. Rather than just talking about it time and time again, maybe it's time to take some action. I'm offering a free series of clips which could really help you get this process moving. You're crazy if you miss it. So you can stop being a gunner right now and start becoming an achiever or a doer with my help, and it can be quite simple. Hard work, but quite simple. Whether you want to start hunting down that career that you've been talking about for years. You might have been banging on about losing weight and never had the courage to do it, or the stamina. Maybe it's getting fit. Maybe it's kicking that destructive habit. Maybe you want to improve your relationship with your family. I don't care what it is. Self-improvement is essential. Moving forward is essential. Now's the time to start. In this series, I'll take you through the whole process from setting your goals to getting your mind in the right place, which a lot of people have never ever attempted to do. And also, the most important part, how to stay motivated on your journey or in your task of self-improvement. Very, very, very important lessons that you can learn. I'll talk you through each one step by step. I'll try and put a post on every week. So subscribe to this channel. You really don't want to miss this. It's free and it could really change your life. With the dawning of 2020 right on the doorstep, what a perfect time to make a change. Who knows where you could go? Imagine where you could be in 12 months' time, in 2 years' time, in 5 years' time, in 10 years' time, if you make the move now. Once again, as I said, my course is free. I'm offering it here on YouTube. Simply subscribe to the channel and let's get on this journey together. I'll be posting my first instructional clip on goal setting very soon.